on this auspicious occasion of the birth anniversary of this iconic personality, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. This date is also known as Prakrampa Divas since 2021.
Very good.
He was born in Cuttack, Bengal province, now in Odisha, to Mr. Janakinath Bose and Mrs. Prabhavati Datta. He was born on 23rd January 1897 admitted to a school, Baptist Mission Protestant School, where English was the main emphasis. Latin, good manners of Bible, British geography and history was also taught, but no Indian language was taught. It was his choice of his father to admit his children there because he wanted his children to speak both English with flawless English with flawless intonation, because it was quite necessary to speak both the things at that time during the period of British Raj. Father was a very busy person and he could not devote his time to his family very much. Therefore, he need to be distant from them. At home, Subhash Chandra Bose was cared by his mother, and she spoke Bengali and she taught them from the teachings of Mahabharata and Ramayana. And therefore, Subhash Chandra Bose was very patriotic by nature since his childhood. In 1909, he was transferred to another school, Raven Shaw Collegiate School, and there he got the opportunity to study Bengali and Sanskrit as well. He was very happy to study Sanskrit because he wanted to get the knowledge of Vedas and Upanishads. In 1912, at the age of 15, after clearing his matriculation exam and securing second rank in it, he wished to go to Presidency College, where upper class Hindu men studied. He got his admission there. In that college, he befriended a man, Hemant Kumar Sarkar, and with him he once went to northern India in order to seek spiritual knowledge and spiritual teachings from a spiritual guru, and he went there without informing anyone. On their return, it was a failure. They did not found any spiritual guru, but their parents were very anxious and they scolded them a lot and heated words exchanged as well. I also recall one more incident of his. In 1916, one professor of that college, Otan by name, once spoke something worse and uncouth about Indian culture, and therefore Subhash Chandra Bose, along with his group members, beat him and fled away, as it is believed, and therefore he was rusticated from the college. This proves that how patriotic by nature Subhash Chandra Bose was since his childhood. He went to another college, and there in that college he did his BA and got first position. After that, in 1919, his father wished him to give Indian Civil Service examination. He appeared in the first exam and got 4 seats out of 6. Got the 4th seat out of 6, and he did not appear in final examinations because he did not want to serve his country in the rule of Britishers, because he would not be able to serve his country independently. Therefore, he was with the help of C.R. Das, he came back to India from England, and he then met Gandhiji and joined Indian National Congress. He served Indian National Congress for many years, and I also want to tell you that in 1925 he was imprisoned when all the nationalists were rounded up. He was released after 2 years, and then he started a newspaper, Swaraj, And also with the help of C.R. Das, he also became the editor of his newspaper, that was Forward. A little later, Subhash Chandra Bose was again imprisoned, and then because he participated in civil disobedience movement. After that, after his release, he became the secretary of Indian National Congress, and then in 1941 he felt that there will be non-violence ways are not working, and therefore he found the necessity of forming Indian National Army, and he discussed this topic with Mahatma Gandhi.